Alright, now we're going to try this for the first time, doing some recording. See how this works. I'm going to fly to Owosso, and that's my plan. I haven't really flown my plane since I got it back, so a little nerve-wracking, I guess. But we'll see how it is. And here's checklist. All pilots are supposed to use checklists. I mean, even in the jets and everything, they always use checklists. And that's just the way it's supposed to be. And it's so easy to forget something, and there's nothing worse than forgetting something when you're up there flying. So I'll make sure I don't forget anything. So I'm going to do this checklist and get ready to get going here. Seat belts, brakes, master switch on, fuel valve on, carburetor heat cold, mixture rich, ignition both, prime, let's shake this off until I get this. I really need to redo the checklist because see it prime wasn't in there. I've been trying to start on this thing forever with it being kind of chilly out. Two shots should do it. All right, now carburetor heat cold, mixture rich, ignition to both. Propeller clear. Clear! Here we go. Oil pressure good. Alright, let me get stuff ready. Should be able to hear everything I hear. Engine warm up a little bit. Alright. Turn on my GPS, turn on my radio. Somebody's coming in. Alright, let my radios do their thing.
Clear of 06 Caro traffic.
Caro traffic 6610 Foxtrot, departing 06 to the southwest. Okay guys, here we go. this is Cessna 6610 entering the 45 for 11 Owosso.
Owosso traffic 090 sir is about 4 miles south of the airport, inbound left downwind 11 Owosso.
Owosso traffic, Cessna 6610 Foxtrot, entering downwind 11 Owosso. Owosso traffic, Cessna 6610 Foxtrot, turning base 11 Owosso.
Livingston County Diamond 582, that's Charlie 10 Crossman. Livingston County. Owosso traffic 090 sir is entering crosswind for runway 11 on Owosso. I have the traffic on the pattern.
Owosso traffic, Cessna 6610 Foxtrot, turning final 11 Owosso.
Livingston County Diamond 582, that's Charlie departing the pattern to the north. Livingston County.
That landing sucked. Anyways, I'm signing off for right now. We'll chat all a little later.